Hi everybody, me and the dog are out and about today and I'm going to be doing a VR for Priority Survival and just showing you that the hawthorns are now flowering here in Scotland, so that is lovely and they smell good. And we're over at the nature reserve today. As you can see, where the dog fell in the last time, the water's dropped quite a bit. Are you going in, Booms? Are you going in? On purpose, I mean. Not falling in this time. Eh? See, he doesn't learn, he just goes right to the edge. Eh, what kind of rubbish is in there? What kind of rubbish? Is something in there? No, tadpoles there. Don't know if you can see them or not. A couple of black tadpoles. Come over here like late autumn sometimes and you can't step for actually stepping on little brown frogs. They're just, this pond, this lake is actually just full of them. Starting to look really nice over here, very green and colourful, and the daisies are coming out as well. Very nice. So we've come to see the horses today. Well, I have, because I won't let the dog near that. He's tied to a convenient post just down there. That's my town in the background there. I don't want him near the horses, and he's on his lead. So as I said, this is a VR for Priority Survival, and if you don't know his channel then please do go and have a look, because he does reviews and tutorials and lots of interesting things there for you to go and check out. So please do pop over and give him a like, subscribe, comment, and I hope he does well with his subscriber total in the future. So we're following this little path here. Come on, Booms. It's only big enough for... Oh, I'm tripping up. The birds are scaring him. He's like, whoa, what's that? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, lots of little flying buggy things. Midges, but I've got my Avon skin so soft on today, so no bites so far anyway. Ah, there we are. So that jetty, if the dog will stop pulling me, that jetty over there is where we normally go, and that's the one where he fell in. And there's another little jetty here. He's dying to get in the water. That's oh, who's a good boy? Who's a good brave boy swimming today? Confidence is surely getting up a bit. Yeah, you're going to be out of your depth there, and didn't he swim underneath that thing? Yeah, is that good, is it? Right, come on then, we're going home. He would stay here all day, playing in there. You're getting really brave, aren't you? You're getting really brave. Or is it just that you're too warm today? Is that what it is? It just feels better to swim. Come on then, sausage, we're going home. Come on. Yeah, I'm impressed, Boomer. I'm impressed. Yeah. Just... Come on then, my boy. Come on. Yeah, was that fun, was it? Oh, you choked yourself now, have you? Oh. Yeah. Right then, come on then, we'll go home, put you on the lead.